So in next modules, like after module completing the module 1, you will go to the module 2, module 3, module 4. You will learn about every layer and the working of the every layer and the how attacker exploits or use them in attacking. Okay, and what kind of the attacks
Okay.
where you can face, you can generate alerts on SIM, and what are the prevention for such kind of attacks. You will learn everything. Okay,
Okay.
so any other questions, like if you face in understanding any concept?
Yeah, the concept wise is clear. One more thing, what I was asking is, so in module one, I went through this security devices, okay,
Okay,
like antivirus, IDS, IPS, and firewall. So, do we have any IDS and IPS to like install in our home network and test?
okay, we will do that. We will install Snort, okay, which is a freeware tool,
Yeah.
freeware tool, a Snort. Okay, we will do that, but not now.
Okay.
In we
Okay.
have like we have in 13 and 14 modules, we have an IDS. We will read more about the IDS, IPS, what are the alerts, how it generated the different signatures for the different cyber attacks, but not now. Okay.
Okay. And I have another one doubt. So, so what is the like basic difference between an SIEM tool and IDS and IPS? So, because see, IPS will also like trigger alert, right, and it will prevent from malicious packet. And SIEM tool also does the same thing. So, what is the basic difference between them?
Okay. This is SIM. Okay. And
Okay.
these are the different devices. Okay. You can see my cursor.
Yeah, yeah, I can see.
So different devices generating different logs. Okay. They're communicating in the network, and IDS and IPS, well, like this is the internet, this is the firewall, this is the IDS or IPS device, this is router, and again we have some firewall, internal firewall, we have different routers, servers, internet and corporate users, and switch. Okay, every device sending logs to SIM. So what is the difference between SIM and IDS? So IDS and IPS is acting as a gate or as an interface for all the communication which is going outside or coming inside, right?
Oh, yeah.
IDS is in the path. If any network packet will come in your network or go outside from your network, it have to pass through the IDS IPS, right?
Okay.
So IDS will check the network packets and generate alert.
Okay.
If this packet is malicious, IDS will raise a flag, will notify you this packet is malicious, this packet is good, this packet is bad, I blocked this packet, I allowed this packet. Okay, but SIM is not blocking anything. SIM is just receiving the logs from different sources, from firewall, from IDS, from servers, from router, from switches. Okay, the logs received by the different devices and by the logs received by the SIM on SIM. SIM just correlating the different logs. You will have a visibility to see the logs from different devices from a single view. You are managing the different sources of logs from a single point of management.
Okay.
SIM is not blocking, SIM is not allowing anything. SIM is just giving you the visibility in the different logs.
Okay.
Okay, for example, if I am the SOC analyst working in a company, my responsibility to identify any cyber attack, I have to check the logs from different. I have to check in this server, I have to check in this server, I have to check in this server, I have to check the logs for this firewall, I have to check in this IDS. If there are thousands of devices, for me it will be very difficult to go and log in the devices and check the logs, right? I need a visibility to check the logs generating by my devices. So SIM is a tool, is a technology which we are using to get the logs from different data sources. And
Okay.
then we have a single point of management, single point of visibility from where we can see the all different kind of logs generating by my different devices. Clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah, yeah, it's clear now.
Okay. Our first module will give you a description about like what is networking, how different devices communicate, what is router, what is switch, okay, what is IDS and what is IPS. It's a basic overview, right?
Yeah,
So now just help me to complete this module, this assignment of the module first.
sure. So, device is used to network to block the. This will be IPS.
Why not why? Okay, IPS. You said IPS. Why not
Yeah.
IDS?
Because IDS will basically detect the malicious packet. It will not block. Okay.
Okay.
And IPS will both detect and block.
Why not antivirus?
Because antivirus is in software, right? It is mentioned like which device using network. So antivirus is not a device.
Why router can't block the malicious packets?
Uh, what is the so router has a functionality of like connect the two network, and it can't block any malicious packet.
Okay,
Yes.
done.
Yeah.
Second question.
So router can block the network packet dimensions. False.
Cool.
Each device can log an alert and detection. IDS. This will be both IPS and IDS.
Cool.
So what is the difference between encapsulation and encryption? Encapsulation is basically binding a data into single unit, and encryption is basically it will what I can say, it will encode the data. Uh, gives not getting the exact
Okay,
definition,
no
but
issues. The motive for this session or this WebEx session is to make you understanding the things, how they are working, how practically we can understand the things in cybersecurity. Okay, every module has their own importance. Okay, and whatever we are learning in module 1, we will not we will not never repeat in module 2. Okay, but I can ask the question, I will not give you the answer, because if I will telling you something, you have to make it note down or to make it understand completely. Okay, so I will
yeah,
tell you the answer, and you should revise it, you should understand it more practically, and we will discuss it in more details. Okay, you have to write down everything in the notes.
yeah,
So whenever I will ask you something, you can just immediately refer to the notes. Okay,
yeah,
okay, man. So what is
yeah.
encapsulation now? Encapsulation and encryption. How many layers we have in TCP/IP model?
We have 7 layers.
How many layers in TCP/IP models we have?
TCP/IP we have 4 layers.
Right. So in TCP we have four layers.
4 layers.
What are the four layers?
Physical, internet, transport, and application layer.
So physical, internet, transport, and for this application, right?
Yeah.
So physical layer. What is physical layer?
So the physical layer will basically deal with the bit level transmission between the different devices.
What is internet layer?
So internet layer will basically deal with the network packet transfer between the among the two different devices.
What is transport layer?
Transport layer will basically deal with the end-to-end transmission,
Okay.
and the application layer is the user interface.
So you have completed your CEH, right?
Yeah.
So from where did you complete your CH?
We have a local institute. Okay.
Okay.
So I have completed there, but yeah, the training was really horrible, and I prefer some tutorial after the training to clear my doubts and all. Because the trainer and all are not up to the mark.
It was not good.
Yeah, to be honest, it was not good.
Okay. And but you really hard to study about the network concepts, right?
Yeah, yeah,
Okay. Okay. And you have cleared your exam also for CEH.
yeah. I cleared that exam.
Okay, cool. So my expectation from you will be high. Okay. Because
Yeah, yeah,
you have completed your CH and I will tell you everything, but I will ask you everything also.
yeah. No problem. And if
Okay.
at all I'm telling any wrong, you can just like
Yeah,
help me to
definitely I
rectify
will,
that.
man. And okay. So now tell me what are the different fields you can find or in the physical layers or internet layer, transport layer, application layer. What you can find, what are the different fields you can find in physical layer first?
Uh,
Different fields means the other information, what the information you can get from physical layers regarding the packet, devices, what other information.
so in physical layer, basically we'll deal with the bit level transmission.
Okay. So in physical
And
layer we have MAC address.
yeah,
So we from physical layer we can get the details of the MAC address of the source machine or
and the
destination.
destination.
What
Yeah.
the fields generally we can get from the internet layer. The normal the most known fields name. Just tell me some fields names.
Yeah.
Tell me what are the fields.
Uh,
What the information you can get from internet layer.
we can get IP address,
Yes, IP address of source and destination
source and destination.
and
Yeah. Uh, IP address.
okay, cool. In transport layer,
So transfer layer. Uh,
port address.
port address. Yeah.
Okay, source port, destination port. In application we have actual data. Okay,
Yeah, that is a user interface.
original data. Now tell me what is MAC address.
MAC address is basically an, you can say, the identity of any devices. It is a 48-bit address which is divided into 24 and 24. 24-bit will represent the vendor part, and the another 24-bit is a universal unique address.
Okay, what is IP address?
So IP address is basically an stands for Internet Protocol, and so IP address is basically a 32-bit address. And
Sorry. Can you please repeat the same? What you said?
IP address is basically an logical address of any computer device,
Okay,
and that is a 32-bit address combination of 4 octet.
okay.
Yeah.
And what is port?
Uh, port. I don't know the exact definition.
Port are like a computer system has multiple number of ports in which a particular service is running. Port is used for end-to-end communication. Okay, why port? What is port? Port is just opening a socket in your computer to connect your machine to another machine. Okay. For example, your
Okay.
computer has a how many number of ports in a computer system?
It's around 64,000. 65,000, yeah. 65,000.
So these are the gates in your computer system. Okay. For any
Okay.
request will send from your machine, will use one port. Okay. Will use one port.
Okay.
Request will be sent from one port, received by another port. End-to-end communication. Okay. Why we say internet layer is forwarding and receiving packet? Because it works the main thing in the IP address. The packet is forwarding and received on the basis of the IP addresses. Physical
Okay.
giving you the medium, okay, giving you the MAC address for local connected devices, okay, and application is original data. When
So, okay,
yep,
I have one doubt.
yep,
To block any port, we are doing that through firewall, right? Suppose.
yeah, we will do by a firewall.
Okay. No need to block from individual devices, right?
Why you will block if you have 10,000 devices? Will you go to every device and block the port? No, never.
No. Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. So now, what is encapsulation and what is encryption? Okay, encapsulation is like there is machine. This is my machine A. This is another machine B. My machine want to generate or want to send some packet, want to communicate with machine B. Okay, we have
Okay.
four layers. First is application layer, which will generate data. Application layer will generate the data. Okay,
Yeah.
then application layer will transfer its content to the transport layer. Transport layer will add the port information. Okay, then transport
Okay.
layer will forward the packet, forward the payload content frame to the internet layer. Internet layer will add the information about the IP addresses. Okay,
Okay.
then internet layer will forward the packet to the physical layer. Physical layer will add the information about the tell me
Yeah.
what physical layer will add in the that frame.
MAC address
MAC addresses of the source and destination.
destination.
So this is the encapsulation, adding
Yeah.
the information or wrapping up the data with different layers is encapsulation. Okay, what is
Yeah.
decapsulation?
Uh, Removing the data.
Removing
Oh,
the information from the data.
yeah.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. So when this information, this packet will be sent. This packet will be sent. This is the packet. Okay.
Yeah.
Uh, So this packet will be sent to the system B. System B
Hmm.
will receive from physical layer.
Application.
System, the receiver device will receive the data from physical layer, then it will just take out its data. Physical layer will export the or will exclude the information about its MAC address and will pass on the data to internet layer. Okay,
Okay.
internet layer
Yeah.
will extract its information and will pass data to transport layer.
Okay.
Transport layer will extract its port information and pass down data to the application layer. Application layer will show you the actual original data. The
Okay.
process of wrapping over the data is encapsulation and removing the data from frames is decapsulation. Okay,
Huh.
now when I send the information from system A to system B, I am sending the information with encryption. Encryption means changing plain text to ciphertext. For example, I have sent one message, my username. Okay, my username is
Okay.
test123 and password is test123. I send this information without using encryption. The information will be same even if it is traveling in the network. Okay,
Okay.
if any attacker is listening our network can sniff the our username and password. But if I am using the encryption, I am if I am using the encryption, I am changing the plain text to ciphertext. Encryption, changing plain text to ciphertext. Okay, what does it mean?
Okay.
Like if I have one username test123, after encrypting this will be like this. So
Okay.
this is the plain text. Are you sick?
Yeah.
Ciphertext. Okay, so this is encryption, changing the information from changing the data from plain text to ciphertext using some cryptographic algorithms
Okay.
is encryption, and changing back from ciphertext to plain text is decryption with the help of cryptographic algorithms.
Okay.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay, now
So while decryption also it will follow the same cryptography algorithm.
yes,
Okay.
now tell me the answer of last question.
Which device blocked the malicious file detect on the system? This should be uh, uh, firewall.
Okay, which device block or the malicious file detected on a system on your endpoint?
Oh, okay. Okay. I think this is antivirus. Not
Cool,
firewall.
answer is right.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
now we have studied complete our module 1 assignment 1. Okay, and before starting module 2 I want to show you some practically what are the information we captured or sniffed from the network. Okay,
Yeah.
so have you ever used Wireshark?
Yeah.
So you are familiar with
Uh,
Wireshark, right?
yeah.
When did you use Wireshark in CH?
Yeah, on CH only I have used it.
Okay,
And even though like in my day-to-day life, in my work, if I used to like see any packet capture, and I used to install this.
okay, cool. So I am sniffing my LAN connection. Okay, there are a lot of packets going on. They're just moving here and there. Okay, I just want to stop the packet capture and just will click on a single packet, on one packet. This is the details. This is the frame. This is the actual packet which is traveling, which is communicating. Okay, the packet which I have selected, the size of the packet is 137 bytes.
One.
It's only meta information. Okay, it does not contain any information related to the packet, related to any layer. This is just a like envelope information. Like if you want to send information, you just wrap the information in an envelope and send it. Okay, so a frame, this is the first packet. The first thing is just only the giving the information about the packet. What was the size of the packet is 177 bytes. Okay, this is our first layer, Ethernet layer, physical layer. Hello,
Yeah, yeah, I can hear you.
yeah. Okay, so this is our first layer, physical layer. This is our second layer, internet layer. This is our third layer, and this is our actual data application layer. Okay, so in next modules you will learn about the physical layer. What are the different fields? What is the meaning of the different fields? Okay, then you will understand about the internet layer. What are the different fields? What are the role of different fields? What are the flags, TTL, protocol, checksums? So don't miss anything.